Good morning, everyone. My name is David Wex. I'm Vice President here in Nasdaq's Listings Group, and it's my honor to welcome Latvenergo along with their CEO, Aris Zigurs. I'd also like, how's that pronunciation? Not bad? Zigurs. Zigurs. All right. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to members of the management team and certainly all our distinguished guests to Nasdaq. We're excited that you could all join us to officially ring the Nasdaq opening bell right here from the crossroads of the world in Timesquare, New York. Now, I like to start each ceremony with a big round of applause. So given the exceptional development of the Baltic bond market this year, for the first time, Latvenergo, the Latvian state-owned energy company, was nominated for the Baltic Market Award, Best Investor Relations in Baltics among Bond Issuers 2016. Now, this nomination proves that the Baltic bond market serves as a springboard for companies to set ambitious goals in the capital markets. The company is the perfect proof that the capital markets provide a viable source of funding for performing, transparent, and well-governed companies. Latvenergo is the first state-owned company across Baltic countries that has issued and listed bonds in the domestic market. Now, last year, the company completed its green bond program by issuing green bonds in the total amount of 100 million euros, which received the highest Moody's Green Bond assessment grade. This marks the first Moody's Green Bond assessment at excellent grade for green bonds issued in Eastern Europe. These funds are invested only in environmental friendly projects. Latvenergo has become a benchmark to other state-owned enterprises across Baltic countries by linking responsible investor relations practices with good investor returns. The company has been repeatedly recognized as the most valuable company in Latvia and is one of the most valuable companies in the Baltics. And it's an honor to have you all here with us today. And now it is my pleasure. Please join me in welcoming Aris Zigurs to say a few words. Aris, please join me.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for the possibility to participate at the opening market bell ceremony at Nasdaq MarketSite in New York City's Times Square. Latvenergo is the first company not only in Latvia, but also in the Baltics, having received the Best Investor Relations in the Baltics among Bond Issuers Award. Latvia has been a country of innovation from time immemorial. An investor, however, is needed to bring those innovations into life. Already in the Soviet era, when the Iron Curtain separated Riga from New York, those Latvian tourists who were lucky to travel to America were admonished by those staying behind to bring home genuine American jeans, as you know, those with rivets. Did you know that jeans still have rivets because a tailor from Riga recommended to enhance their durability in this innovative way? A craftsman, Jacob Davis, who emigrated to the United States and initially lived here in New York, did not have enough money to patent the invention, and Levi Strauss became his investor. I think it's a great story about what happens and what horizons open up when passion, innovation, and investments meet. Today, 5 years after we decided on the bond issue, Latvenergo is the most valuable company in Latvia and among the most valuable in the Baltics. We can be extremely pleased and conclude that Latvenergo's participation in the capital markets has fully met our hopes and even surpassed the initial expectations. It has enabled us both to find additional sources of finance on favorable terms and improve the corporate governance and transparency of the company. I hope that in not so very far future, the market bell ceremony will be attended by yet another head of a Latvian company inspired by our example. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So, Aris, Congratulations on the bond offering. And I don't know if, I assume you all know that Nasdaq operates the stock markets in the Baltic countries, so we get to see firsthand the innovation, the growth companies, and we're very proud to have Latvenergo here with us this morning to celebrate. So congratulations to you all, and, and please accept our Nasdaq opening bell crystal. Here, come over to